Daily Dow, Thursday morning. I hope you had a nice Christmas holidays, and then year end is coming soon. Here you go, 360 ending. So, like you say, ending is coming. A shadow edge is never on the edge. The time to contemplate the ending is before the ending. 5 days left to this year. Woo, 5 days only. There will be an ending and there will be a new beginning, and that is now. If you look at a vase by a window and examine what makes it appear round, you will see a shadow on it. That is the shadow edge. It is the darkest shadow on the face. It is never on the edge. The main light source strikes the vase on one side, and reflected light comes from the other. In the same way that the shadow edge, which establish the roundness of object to our eyes, is never at the edge actually. So too, should we consider limits and endings before we reach them? Absolutely. We cannot do without limits and endings. They bring definition to our endeavors. Once we start, it ends, like like us. But if we are to use them to our advantage, we have to plan how to meet them. Yeah, plan it. Plan how to meet edge, plan how to meet the end. For those who follow Tao, those who can accommodate endings gracefully are among the most admired. In the past, emperors, scholars, holy people, or others who were fully in touch with themselves could know the moment of their death. While they were still vital, they wrote farewell poems. Such people knew. Such people knew how to consider endings before they reached them, which called the preparation. Therefore, there were no regrets or a lingering ramification once they passed. The purity of the next cycle was ensured. Imagine that. Everything is ready before your day end coming. Like your life end is coming. Everything is ready. What would you be afraid of? Probably nothing. I'm set to go, so I'm just gonna go forward. That's how it ends. Life is like that. Any task is like that. And a year is like that. What's your next year end goal? Forget about the New Year's resolution. It's something that you try to like create a new from nothing, and you never done it before. Just look at the end, year end, next year. What do you picture yourself at the end of next year? Let's start with that. All right. Thank you. Have a great day. See you tomorrow.